In order to ensure the photos you take are not in HEIC form, you can use one of the following two procedures. The first involves switching your phone's settings so that any photos that are taken are in JPEG format as opposed to HEIC format. To do this, you can open your phone's settings and select Camera. From there, select Formats. Change the camera capture settings from high efficiency to most compatible. Note that any photos you now take with your device will take on a JPEG format as opposed to an HEIC format. A second process you can use involves switching a setting which converts photos from HEIC to JPEG format only when you transfer them to your computer. To do this, find Photos under Settings. Scroll down to find the Transfer to Mac or PC setting. Change it from Keep Originals to Automatic. This new setting will ensure that files are converted to JPEGs only when you transfer them to your computer.
Your iPhone is now set up to take photos in the much more universal JPEG format as opposed to the HEIC format. For more tutorials in mathematical chaos, keep it here on J. Strauss Math.